Today we have a Galaxy S20 Ultra. This is the AT&T carrier branded model. Person using the phone says that the phone keeps jumping from 5G to 4G LTE and data is completely useless. What we're going to do today is disable 5G and see how everything works. If we run a speed test on the phone, we see that the data is useless. The phone must be jumping from 5G to 4G or staying on 4G and trying to connect to 5G. So to fix this issue, we are going to download an app called Samsung Band Selector. So you can find the app on the Play Store. Well, the app is downloaded. If we go to settings, connections, and look for the network mode that some carriers do not hide, this is an AT&T branded phone, so that menu is hidden. We go here, it's nowhere to be found. We go here, nope. Now let's use the app. We are choosing LTE all, which is the equivalent of 4G LTE only. That's what we want. We want to disable 5G on the phone. Click back. Now we're going to try to do a speed test on the phone. So now we're getting data. That's it. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.